Welcome back to Get Informed 2 channel. And if it's the first time that you're coming back to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. And there's a button, there's a bell over there. Also click on it so that you're able to get notified when I upload new videos. What are we doing today? Well, today I'm showcasing an app from App Store. It's a beautiful app. I wish I had this app in my hands, many months ago when I was doing my school. Sitting there on the desk and doing my math, or having to do my homework at home with my parents not knowing what is happening. And I'm feeling for the parents today that they also have to help out their children with mathematical issues there. Now with this app, it's called Photomath. It helps you calculate all those mathematics. You're solving for x, the sine, the cos, the tangents. It does wonders. It uses your camera. You just scan the problem that you need to solve, and it calculates for you automatically. It also gives you step by step on how it got to the answer, the x, what the x stands for, or the y stands for, or the sine even. So I want to show you how it works. I've already installed it on my phone, so all I'm going to do is just scan using the camera, and then it will give me the answer. So please stay tuned. If you can see there, here's the app, it's on, and then you come to a problem there, click a picture, and it scans, and then voila, it shows you the answer. It's cos A plus sin A. And then if you click on show, and then it gives you the steps there. There's a drop down. It explains how it got into that answer. How cool is this? Beautiful. Explain steps. Yeah. I wanted to have this many moons ago. Now you can have it. It's free. Go to your app store, download it, and then just play around with it. Hopefully it helps you and also help your kid. So remember the name, Photomath. There, you see it there? It's Photomath. Enjoy it, and thanks for tuning in. And my name is Neo Morabedi, and I'm signing out.